In other words, sometimes we do things for external reasons and internal reasons. So God comes to this world, external reasons, which I described, but then He comes to an internal reason, especially this particular form of the Lord, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This is a very interesting, because there's no other incarnation of the Lord that comes here to understand about love. Every single incarnation of the Lord, or we say avatar, or descent of the Lord, in every age, whether it's Satyuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara, or Kali, whether it's Ram or Vishnu or Narayan or Dasavatar or Kurma or Nrsimha or whomever, Varaha, every aspect and every descent of the Lord, they come here to protect the devotees, to annihilate or destroy the miscreants or duskritis, non-devotees, and to establish Dharma. That's it. And maybe they have some of their own lilas. There's some pastimes with their devotees, Chitrakoot, or the different lilas they have. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this is a speciality of his descent, his avatar. He is called the golden avatar. He's golden in color, like molten gold. 7 feet tall, very huge figure, born in a Brahmin family. Most of the descents of the Lord, Krishna is born in Vaishya family as cowherd, Ram's Kshatriya. They come in different forms, but he came in as a Brahmin, the son of Jagannath Mishra. Krishna came only in this form and only in this age because he wanted to understand the mysteries of love. He wanted to actually truly understand the mystery of Radharani. Because there's 3 things that he could not understand. So this is, on this particular day, 525 years ago, Krishna came to this planet as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to try to understand the nature of love. Love is so compelling, and spiritual love is so compelling and so attractive and so mystifying that even God takes the form of his devotee to try to understand what is a devotee. What is a devotee of God? How does a devotee of God feel? How does the devotee of God, a bhakta, Bhagavan ka bhakta, what is his bhav? How does he feel when he serves me? Just imagine, you're a master and you have some servants in your house. Of course, we would never think this way in a million years. But could you imagine thinking, I wonder what it's like. I wonder what it would be like to be my peon. Like you may be a big director, a big businessman. I wonder what it's like to work, be this guy that works for me. Of course, you'll never think that way in 1,000 years. That's the last thought on your mind. I wonder what he really thinks of me. I wonder what he feels about me. Of course, you probably don't have to wonder too much. You may hear sometimes. He may tell you what he thinks of you. And you have to tolerate it because you need him as your servant or whatever.